Hello, I'm Jacqueline Darman from Chakra Life, and my husband Patrick and I have been making the chakra therapy system for 30-something years now. And we consider ourselves the stewards of the chakra system because it was given to us by celestials in order to have a tool that would empower people to be able to heal themselves and share it with others. So let's get into it and let me show you what exactly the new chakra system looks like. Okay, so it comes in this really lovely pouch, and inside the pouch is everything that you see here. The most important part of this is what we call the tensor field. And the tensor field, the energy comes in negative and goes out positive. So it's an automatic clearing system. And it actually radiates out about 12 feet. So it will clear yourself and it will clear others. It's totally shareable because if my energy's all over this, I'm gone because it clears itself. It doesn't retain or hold negative energy at all. So it has the numbers for each of the chakras here. It has the stones which are individually chosen for each one. And in your instructions, it will tell you what each of these stones are. And so let's get with it. So this is the most exciting part of the new chakra system, is that this is now portable. So I'm going to take my pendulum, and you can start at the root, which is traditional. Patrick likes to start at the heart and end with the heart. But we're going to go traditionally here and start with the root. So this is a lovely snowflake obsidian. So I'm going to have my pendulum, and I like to hold it down and put the chain in my hand. And I'm going to hold the pendulum so that it's in motion. This is called the ready mark. So I'm going to take the oil, open the oil, and hold the pendulum over that stone to show the condition of my root chakra. Now I'm going to smell the oil. And you see how that jazzes it up to bring maximum power and energy to your organ, to your chakra as well. You can also do it with your organs, so you can do the kidney, show my right kidney and jazz it up. And then my left kidney and jazz it up. So you can choose to do all of the chakras at once and then do the organs, or do the organs separately. It's totally up to you how you want to use the chakra system. So then we would just simply move on to the next one. And this is your sacral chakra. And I'm going to get the oil, hold the pendulum over the stone, and smell the oil.
Breathe it in.
Again, maximum power, maximum energy. And be sure to breathe as you're doing this. You're breathing into that sacral chakra just below your belly button and breathing out any negativity. Good. So now we're going to move on to the solar plexus. So my chakras are open, but I could move here and go show me the condition of my solar plexus chakra. And then I clear the solar plexus chakra. And there's a chart that comes along with it that will show you what organs are in your chakra as well, so that you can clear each of them as well. So you want to go all the way through the chakras and do them all, because it's kind of like a shower. Just because you took a shower today doesn't mean you don't need one tomorrow. So it goes very quickly, and I hope you enjoy this, and thank you so much for joining us at Chakra Life.